Vanakkam. Namaste. I am Ulaganathan. I am a retired scientist from DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization at Bangalore. I am going to introduce you homeopathy. I'm not a medical person. I'm an electronics engineer, but I have been using homeopathy for the last 25 years. Somebody has introduced me this homeopathy 25 years back, and I have been using it, and I have been very successful in treating day to day ailments for myself, for my family, friends, and relatives. I want to share my experience with you people so that you can also start using homeopathy for your day to day ailments and get benefited. Let us go into the details.
I made 7 videos on homeopathy and uploaded on YouTube. One introduction, first aid, digestion, cold and cough, fever, other ailments, and finally conclusion. Welcome to part 7. This is the concluding part of the 7-part video series I have made on introduction to homeopathy and uploaded on YouTube. If you have not seen the earlier parts, you can search YouTube with the keywords homeopathy, introduction, English, Ulaganathan. I will give the list of medicines to be bought. The following list of medicines to be bought and kept at home for ready use. They are essential to treat and cure at home any day-to-day ailments. You can buy these medicines in pills form either in 1 gram quantity or 2 gram quantity. You can buy the Indian medicine. Sometimes they will try to push to sell the costly German medicines. It's not necessary. Indian make will do. When you buy the medicine, along with the name, you should tell the potency and the quantity also. Say for example, Arnica 30 1 gram pills. Pills also come in different sizes. Medium size is convenient. Initially, you can buy all the medicines in 30 potency. On gaining confidence in specific long-standing problems, you can try 200 potency. The list goes like this. The first medicine is Allium cepa 30. Second is Antimtart, AP smell, Arnica, Arsenic alb, Belladonna, Bryonia, Carbovage, Gelsemium, Heparsulf, Hypericum, Ipeca, Lycopodium, Macpas, Natrum mur, Natrum sulf, Podophyllum, Pyrogenium, Rustox, and the last 20th medicine is Ruta G. Liquid form medicines you can buy in quantity of 15 ml. Calendula Q, Cantharis Q, Baptisia Q. They are mother tinctures. And finally, mullein oil. Buy also a roll of cotton when you buy calendula. Additionally, you can buy these medicines on a need basis. Aconite 30, Bariata carb 30, China, Chamomilla, Colocynthis, Ferrampas, Merxol, Pulsatilla, Sepia, and Thuja. Medicines can be stored even for 2 years. In case some discoloration or get into solid form, do not use them. Refilling has to be done periodically, else in times of urgency during night for want of medicine you will suffer. Children also should get familiar with the names of the medicines and their specific use. It will ensure that homeopathy is carried to the next generation in your family. I have heard people telling, my grandfather used to give, but we don't know anything. Keep a separate kit for use in travels. It will come handy when children fall sick during the journey. While packing in a hurry, we forget or reluctant to search and take medicine along with us and suffer later. I have bitter experiences. I will talk on dilutions. Dilutions are the base clear solution with which the medicine in pills form is prepared. Dilutions are available for all medicines in 30 or 200 potency. You can buy dilutions and prepare your own medicine in pills form at home. Blank sugar pills and the small plastic 1 gram containers are also available in home stores. You can fill the pills in the container, add the required dilution. 8 drops only over the pills. 8 drops are sufficient for 1 gram bottle. Never overdo it. Shake vigorously and now your medicine in pills form is ready. When you are sufficiently confident on using medicines in pills form, you can experiment with taking dilutions. Dilutions are added to water in drops and taken. 5 drops in a spoon of water is 1 dose. Keep it in the tongue for a few seconds. If a medicine is to be taken continuously in a day, you can prepare a water dose, what is called a water dose. Take about 50 ml water, that is around quarter tumbler water. Add 20 drops of the required medicine. Take a spoon of this mixed solution, it is one dose. You can use this solution for the full day. Next day, prepare fresh. Never mix two different medicines. As a thumb rule, you can take medicines 3 to 4 times per medicine per day. If multiple medicines are to be taken, mix in different tumblers and give a gap of 10 minutes between them. Whenever a problem starts, mostly you will be able to manage with a few doses of medicines in pills form. If it is not controlled with pills, you can change over to dilutions. Even with the dilutions are not controlled in a week, you can abandon and consult a homeopath. Let us summarize the benefits of homeo treatment at home. If day-to-day ailments are treated and cured at home at an early stage, the next stage of complicated health problems are mostly avoided. In the long run, homeopathy strengthens the immune system, especially that of children. This is the most important benefit of all. For persons used to homeo medicines, incidence of falling sick very much reduced. And the third point is, medicines are cheap. The above said 20 medicines all put together may cost 1,000 rupees in the year 2021. Just a visit to a doctor will cost that much. These medicines are for the entire family for an year or two. So there is a large saving in monthly, yearly medical expenses for the entire family. Thus, we can see there is a long-term benefit of comprehensive ends for the entire family. All the medicines I have described have been tried and tested by us in solving day-to-day ailments. So you can also try safely. There may be no opinion, self-medication is wrong. As I told in the beginning, any medicine wrongly chosen will just not work. It will pass through the body like a sugar pill. It will not do any harm. And we are limiting the potency to 30 or 200. I remember an incident, my granddaughter, when 2 years old, took 2 bottles full of different medicine into her mouth and was enjoying the sugar pills. We were shocked, but nothing happened because the 2 bottles of medicine was only a single dose, and that too, she did not have any problem in her body related to that medicine. So nothing adverse happened to her. There is no overdose at all. So without any hesitation, start practicing homeopathy. I have introduced homeopathy for many of my relative families and through WhatsApp group, Tamil group to hundreds of people. Understanding homeopathy and treating at home is not an easy task for a beginner, but I find after some initial hurdles, they take over the family and treat successfully. You can also try. When it fails, you may incur the wrath of family members. With the perseverance and the cooperation of the entire family, within a year, you will come to know the intricacy of homeo medicines, gain confidence, and you can also treat successfully. Anytime if you are unable to handle, do not hesitate to go to a homeopath and get treated. But do not abandon homeo treatment. Next time, you may succeed with a change in selection of medicine, increase in some doses. More than adults whose immune system might have been corrupted by allopathy treatment, children respond to homeopathy medicine much better. Children love the sugar pill is a different story. Their immune system is less corrupted, and when it is triggered by homeo medicines, their response is excellent and it gets enhanced to a much higher level. If they are treated only with homeo medicines, they grow up with an uncorrupted immune system. In that case, their falling sick becomes rare. That's the gift of homeopathy. The medicines I have listed is a very limited set of homeo medicines. There are hundreds of other medicines. You yourself will identify later and start using them also in the course of time. Long-standing ailments like thyroid, varicose veins, asthma, etc. have no cure in allopathy. Medicine have to be taken for life. But homeopathy cures them completely and permanently. Treatment will last for few weeks or months only. I have seen people getting cured for their brain tumors and cancer patients getting relief from their suffering. So look for an experienced homeopath for treating chronic problems. Sometimes you may not get the appropriate medicine for the first time and so treatment may fail. Please do not give up. You can go back to the doctor, tell him openly that the homeo medicine partially worked or not worked at all. It is perfectly alright. With that feedback, next time he will change the medicine and will succeed. A word of caution. On seeing the success of homeopathy, organizations come into business. They run services on commercial basis and are trying to exploit by charging heavily for homeo treatment. You should identify and avoid them. Classical homeo treatment should cost in few hundreds only, not in thousands. Pharma industries are also contributing to this damage by bringing combination medicines like in allopathy system. Some homeopaths prescribe them also. This practice has pushed the cost of treatment. Traditional homeo medicines in pills, dilution and mother tincture form are still very cheap compared to homeo combination medicines and definitely lot cheaper than allopathy medicines. In my experience, combination medicines are not that effective as individual medicines taken in a classic way of one medicine one at a time. So far, I have explained the positive aspects of homeopathy only. The limitations of homeo treatments also we should understand. Homeo treatment is not successful always. It is not the fault of homeopathy, but failure to select the most appropriate medicine is the cause. That's why people easily lose confidence. Allopathy doctors, I have heard them asking a question sarcastically. Homeopathy? Is it a science? In a way, their question is valid. You may be surprised that all these 250 years of its existence, till date, nobody has proved or scientifically explained how homeopathy works. The medicine concentration is in such a ridiculously low level. To understand, compare with a drop of ink in a swimming pool. That's the level of actual concentration of medicine in the medium. Nobody knows how it works, but the fact is, all over the world, lakhs of people are using homeopathy and getting cured. Nobody can deny that. That brings me to this philosophical conclusion. Even though homeopathy was invented by a man, Dr. Hahnemann, I tend to believe that it's God's creation. Moreover, God does not give these to everybody. Otherwise, it should have spread throughout the world. With my limited experience of 25 years, I have seen, however much I try, it does not reach some people. So I believe the system was created by God and He decides whom it should be given. Dr. Hahnemann's prophecy, when fate changes, he will come to homeopathy, strengthens this belief. Okay. Some 2 years back, I made similar homeopathy introduction videos in the language Tamil and uploaded on YouTube. Few thousands of views are there. I had also started a WhatsApp group called Homeo Self-Help Tamil Group. I invited people to join the group. Currently, some 135 members are there. It's going very well. The dialogue is in Tamil. On a daily basis, queries are made. To the extent possible, I suggest medicines. Some knowledgeable members also have joined. They also suggest medicine. Members get benefited. So the small group is working very well. Homeopathy is serving to solve their day-to-day ailments. Similar to the Tamil group, I have recently started another group called the Homeo Self-Help English Group. You are welcome to join the group. You can send a request message to my number 8050626004 with your name and place. I will admit you. You can post queries in English only and can have a dialogue for a possible cure. In the long run, you will learn how to use homeopathy successfully. I had written a small book in Tamil. The PDF file is made available to members. Those who cannot print the book, members can pay some 100 rupees and get the printed book through courier. The book is popular among members. They read, understand the use of medicines and take care of their family. Similarly, I have written an English book also. After joining the English group, you can request for the PDF file of the English book. If you are unable to print, you can pay and get the printed book through courier. In conclusion, I invite you to start practicing homeopathy with confidence and prayer. God willing, He may bless you for a healthy life through homeopathy. Please leave your comments how useful for this video. If you are interested further, you may join the Homeo Self-Help English group by sending a request message with your name and address. Thank you for your viewing.